Today I want to show you how to use Dr. Audio's Neural Note, specifically for Logic users. This is a great free plugin. I'll include everything in the description so you can download this and use it for yourself. It's a free plugin. So go ahead and open up Logic and create an audio track. Now on your audio track, you're going to want to, once you've got the plugin installed, go to Dr. Audio and select Neural Note. Once it's there, you're going to want to navigate to your sounds. I've got this synth loop here. It's at 124 BPM. You can do it other ways, but I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it. What you want to do is drag and drop it in. Make sure your tempo and your DAW is set to 124 as well as the tempo here. Go ahead and key it in, and you can see it's processed the loop. I'm going to go ahead and put the loop in the DAW as well so you can hear what it sounds like originally. So that's the original loop. Now we have the Midi, so what we can do is just drag and drop it into the DAW. By default, it puts it on a piano. Now, from here, of course, you can, let's go ahead and close that. You can change whatever sound it is you want to be playing. So let's select Alchemy, for instance. And I don't know, let's select a string, maybe something glitchy, massiveness. Let's try that. See that? Now it's all MIDI. So at this point you can go in here and tweak the notes if you wanted to. You could, for instance, transpose the whole thing. Of course, it could be any sound that you want. Now you can change the tempo at this point. Do all sorts of stuff. So that's it in a nutshell. So now you can transform melodies to MIDI and just have at it.